Morning everyone, good day, welcome guys, good evening, good afternoon. What's up? How's your day, community? How do you feel? Great to see you, Chad. Great to see you, everyone. Feeling much better, Nasdaq ready for a dump? Oh yeah, look at that. What's up guys, how you doing today? How do you feel around the Tuesday, last day of the month? Nothing green. Gotta look into Fred. Oh yeah. Looks like the algo is aiming to attack lower levels. Welcome everyone, welcome to my stream. Welcome. There you go. There you go. Time to go ahead and share and invite people on live stream. Share and invite everyone. All the trading groups. Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp. Pretty much everyone would like to have a great time learning, but at the same time participate some of the nicest giveaways that we've got. Oh yeah. Requested my FundedSeat Payout, 1,500. That's the link, guys, for 4 below. Good evening, welcome, guys. Greetings. Oh. We're gonna get started with FundedSeat. We're continuing with Lucid. Well, there you go. That daily opening is what I'm going to target today. And I'll get started with the account which is sitting in the best situation possible. This one. This one is sitting in the best situation possible. So I'm going to long that. And we're targeting, this is the aggressive way I traded. Instant funded, unfunded seat, instant funding, both no consistency, and daily payouts on the funded stage. It's an instant funded. Oh. Can we get a little deeper? Can we get a little deeper? Hate warning. A little deeper, guys. Come on. I like to have about a couple of minis, micros. No, I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out. No way. Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We got front run. Went through the daily opening and I bet a little lower than that. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Visual, some nice green P&Ls. On the hourly, this is a really important lower high, guys. On the hourly. And the outcome is dangerous. You see the selling pressure applied is substantial. You gotta stay green today, guys. Do whatever you have to do in order to stay green. We've got a couple of longs here that have not been triggered. Unfortunately, I would say. I wish things had been different. Wouldn't be bad for me to be up quite a few points already. Good evening, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're going to be out here speaking about the markets, speaking about the price action and the technicals with the psychology, risk management, all that stuff as usually. Bouncing on the daily opening. Unfortunately, I did not beat the daily opening, actually bid a little bit lower, slightly below 30,000, slightly. Then I got front run. I'm not going to be able to short this one at this level. Might be something around 80s. Might be something around that. Little late on longing it, so gotta wait for a structure. Would have been lovely to have this one filled up and be up 30 points. That's something, even on 20, 30 micros. That's something. Oh yeah. Trading FundedSeat, guys, which is having all sorts of accounts. For those of you that are not familiar, let me drop you some of the links here. Quick presentation for FundedSeat. US-based prop firm, been online for a year. Currently there is a 55% off for the next 3 purchases, then 45% scramble max discount at any point with the best campaign available. We're trading 2 different models. The evaluations are flexes, right, which means no consistency and target for the funded stage, and only 4 days for the payout. Very comfortable. Max 5 funded. And then I trade from instant funding Bolt. This one is of 100,000. I can have 5 of those because they are no consistency and daily payouts from the second stage. So instant funding Bolt is no consistency and daily payouts. And it's instant funding. Daily payouts, instant funding. That's something very, very, very attractive. This is happening, guys, on their second stage. First stage, first cycle is basically the 5% target. Simple and straightforward. Not 6. You guys are longing it. Big Bear Carlos, how you doing? What's up, everyone? You guys seen what happened with Germany? Oh my gosh. Good for Paraguay. Good business. But we might have some Germans here in our community. We used to have quite a few. Not sure if they join. Yeah, they lost big time. Testing basically the opening of the next 5-minute candle with a little short. I don't think the candle is not going to have a wick downwards. I don't think that. So I will be shorting the opening of the next 5-minute candle, which happens right now. Look at that. Yeah. A little deeper, a little deeper. I need a little deeper so I can scalp my way into this. A little deeper. Come on. I don't want to hold this for a while because of the risk for the upside, which is quite certain. Oh yeah. I think Norway is having a great time. Norway. What do you guys think about Norway? Oh, good job. Congratulations. I like to go with the underdogs. And it's not easy picking one. Norway is interesting to me. Their striking possibilities and capabilities are on point. I don't know about their defense and strategical approach, but it is interesting. Morocco is also really good, but that's not surprising. That's not surprising. Good morning, good day. Morocco is really good. It's not surprising. They managed to score last minute and then still qualifying. So, oh my gosh. What was the take profit here? Should have went into break even. Should have went into break even for this one. Should have went into break even with this one. Not looking good. This is certainly not the best place of shorting. Do you see it a little? And then I'm going to get out. Fully out, 765. 765. We're going to take it back. We're going to take it back. On this candle, this one, I did the mistake basically of not going break even or not having a partial exit. Yes. Little cold, but I'm feeling great from all the other standpoints. Erling is going to have a great time. Yeah, this is more of a longs here. Thinking about the 70s, 80s for a possible short. Thinking about. Make sure to complete the form, guys. Like the video, everyone. It's capable, market. It's still capable. Not to underestimate it, right? I'm going in for a little long here. I'm out. Oh, made about $200, but that could have been way more. That could have been way more. This is scalping, guys, scalping. Got into a little long here again. Looking for the next candle, having some fun. Dropping. Oh. But the bulls are back. But the bulls are back, keeping up the trend, guys. Bulls are back, keeping up the trend. Make sure to like the video. We must hit 180 likes and doing the giveaways. Next candle, I'm going to relaunch. Oh, I've added a little more to this. I've added a little more to this. We don't need more than 58. It's going to be 1,760's profit. Cutting all that loss away. This is looking interesting here if we still have the impulse. This is looking great, I would say, if we still have the... Oh, we don't need the rejection here. Come on. No rejection here, buddy. No rejection here, buddy. No rejection here. Stop doing that silly thing. No rejection here, buddy. Oh my gosh. Expected more from the previous 1 minute candle that closed red with that wick for the upside. Expected more, guys. Right? Something around this. You can come back, but you got to do a little more volatility there. Yeah, we got stopped out. Daily stop loss. Daily stop loss. Daily stop loss. Continuing, the account is not lost. None of the accounts are lost. Setting up the copy trader basically for the other two of yeah, same 100,000 instant funding Bolt. Good morning, good day, welcome everyone. Welcome guys, great to have you onboarded. Make sure to join our Discord community. You got to be out there. You just don't want to miss out on all the big stuff coming around. And surely the constructive side of our community All that buyback. All that buyback. Look at that. Heavy manipulation. How is tennis lately? Had a break with all this cold stuff going around. Kids were having a hard time as well with the situation, but we're all getting much, much better. And then I'm just watching right now Wimbledon. Not much tennis for me going on. I don't think this push is not hunting daily VWAP and yesterday high, plus the fair value gap inside that. There's a fair value gap there. I don't think we're not hunting that. Longing it on this one. I'm fully out here. 480. These are slow risk accounts. Slow. We're trading this boys out here in a defensive approach. Yeah, we're trading this guys in a defensive approach. 480 profit. That's good money. We're going to re-enter and try to monetize it. How many instant funding? Five instant funding you can have with FundedSeat. 5. I have 4 of instant funding, 100,000 instant funding Bolt. 4 of them. And then 1 of a different account. 50,000 flex from a previous round of purchases. But you can have 5 basically of instant funded. Which is the way I'm looking forward, having 5 of 100,000 instant funding Bolt. Cashed out $6,000 so far from FundedSeat. Pretty good, guys. We're in profit with this company. We did spend about 4,000, that's right. But, you know, we're in profit. It's not easy to be in profit constantly. It's not easy. 6,000 cashed out. 3,000 with a pair, actually with 350k. Lost 2 of them for the second cycle, but reached about with the remaining one. 4,500 first time, 1,500 the second time, basically. 6,000 payout. It's not bad. It's certainly not bad. And we were down about $3,000 in the account spent. $3,000 down. Quickly recovered. Now we're up basically 2,000. Interesting. Interesting. The way things turn around when you get to a payout. Very, very interesting. I want to get with this instant funding to second stage basically. So second cycle of payments. Because we will have daily payouts. And I think that's something very interesting to, not just to test out, but actually to benefit from. This is not about testing it out in a statistical way. This is about benefiting from. Oh yeah. Choppiness expected here, but still fair value gap in between the VWAP and yesterday high. That's a magnet. A hell of a market. I'm so pissed off, guys. We got that freaking daily loss limit here, 2,600. Because with today's profit here, we would have been 3,000 up, and we would only needed 2 extra days for the payout. Now we gotta crawl back. Shorting here a little bit for a scalp. Shorting here a little bit for a scalp. Not asking much, just to undercut the previous lows here. Not asking much. Yeah, daily loss limit is interesting. You know what's with the daily loss limit? You gotta trade your sizing lower. Come on. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? He has, oh, there you go. Finally, 941 guys copy traded. That's something to celebrate. That's something to celebrate because this account was 450 bucks away from the max loss yesterday. And now it is about it's about $2,000 away from the max loss. So celebration time. Let me double check what's the real number. I don't think it's... Yeah, it's $2,000 away from the max loss. We're sitting on 99. And it's 97 basically max loss. First day of trading them, we had this 2,500, a daily loss limit, but then recovered 500 yesterday and 941 today on both accounts copy trading it. So that's quite excitement. This is the exact way things should have happened on the my first trading of the day. Hope you're feeling great today, one. Markets will try to be heavy with you guys, but we're not giving up. This is an account which is close to max loss, unfortunately. Let me double check. One of this instant funding Bolt is only 370 bucks away from the max loss. 370. Let's see if we can recover. I'm gonna try to make 1,000. So 370 bucks away from the max loss. This one, I'll try to do 1,000 bucks, guys. Let's see. Good morning, good day. Thank you, guys. Badger should be here. Badger should be here. Oh yeah. Good morning, good day. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We're doing daily giveaways. You want to sign up those giveaways. Good morning. Yes, I'm having cold. No, I'm having cold. My voice is obliterated. Haha. Daily opening structure is getting retested on the 5-minute. The 15-minute approach is looking quite heavy, guys, here. Quite heavy. There's so much space downwards. Got into a long here. 350 bucks for the max loss. Keep that in mind. 350. Got into an aggressive position of 20 micros. Oh yeah, that's juicy. We just undercut that position as expected and the market is running. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is very important. We might be able to save the account from being down to 350, 360 for the max loss. If I get out here, we double our max loss sizing. Oh my gosh, what a silly pressure. What a silly pressure was that. Nah, totally unexpected, guys. Totally. Where are the damn freaking bulls? Where are you? Flat opening here. Flat opening, stop loss on my entry. Give me that target on the $1,000. All like this. Haha. Oh. Oh my God. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable bears. Knocking doors. No. This is so freaking bad. I'm gonna be out here $83 profit. So freaking bad. Unbelievable, guys. Badger is probably around a corner. Badger is probably around a corner. Hmm. 30 minutes to go for the US session. And now it's running. Yeah. Let me see if we get another red candle here so I can touch that. Let me see if we get some red candle here for me to buy in. Oh. We got out, but it looks like the decision has been made and the movement is happening without me. Been waiting for this long here. You see how tricky is the situation when you are having this specific structure. Look at that, guys. A candle which is running from a meaningful levels for the upside, so it certainly reacts on the bulls, but right before the candle closes, the whole thing gets denied. The whole thing gets denied, and then the very next candle pushes back to the same level. Look at that, and then this one is dumping big time. Testing out a little short here. Oh yeah. Testing out a little short here. Can we take a little squeezing from the lowers? Come on. Nah, we're gonna get subbed out because we don't have too much cushion. Yeah, we got subbed out. We got subbed out. Yeah. Continuing. Trading for the third cycle, basically, on our 51,000. Third cycle. We cooked. We cooked a little bit. 350 bucks. Let's see the third cycle for this account. Third cycle. We just have to do 4 days of 250 bucks. 4 days. That would be 1,000 bucks. I like to do a little more just to qualify basically for max payout. So I got to bring this one to, I got to bring this one basically to 53,000, right? Testing out a short from here. Oh yeah, I like this. And I'm not getting out yet. Ha ha ha. I like this and I'm not getting out yet. Oh my gosh, come on, come on. We're risking, guys, a little. We're risking for the price action to undercut this whole structure. Show me the weakness. Stop loss break even. Haha. Right at the top of the current candle stop loss. If we have a double 1 minute, bring it down, baby. Oh yeah, $7 made. What a silly price action. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Look at that. Look at the way they protected it. Smiling. But the very moment, if you would long this, the very moment the price action would have done this. Right? You guys agree with me? If I would have longed this, not shorting it like I did, the very first moment we would have cliffed 30, 40 points and fully recover within the next one. It indicates support not to undercut and squeeze them out is just nuts there. Give me 10 seconds. Let me test out for a short here. Let me test out for a short here. That's insane, man. What's this, guys? What is all this price action here? Chop City, not even having 10 points of squeezing. There's no choppiness without squeezing. Such a scam. Such a freaking scam. We have two accounts of $1,000 made here. Hit the max loss for one, $395. The other one daily loss limit 2,500, not lost. And this one is down 1,000. Let's see what we can do. We still have 480 bucks because the max loss is 50,100. So not in the best situation here. Congratulations. People claiming on their giveaway accounts in our Discord community. Good job, guys. Yes, FundedSeat Bolt instant funded, Keith. Yes, instant funded seat, FundedSeat Bolt, exactly. We got 4 of them. Actually, only 3 active. 1 has been lost. Oh my gosh. A little down below the initial balance, a little bit. But we're fighting. We're fighting. And we're going to replace this 50,000 we've got with an instant funding bolt as well. Oh, sorry to hear that, Parvin. Things have been quite desynchronized today. Quite desynchronized. The way this 5-minute bottom looks is totally unacceptable. This one here. Totally unacceptable. And then the 1 minute. If you guys long this, you know what happens, right? If you long this, the very moment you click the green, it does this. And wipes you out. Have you guys experienced that? The very moment you touch your long in a such price section with a bottom like that, it dips 30 points. So for YRM, gotta look into that quickly. What I can tell you, have not been trading evaluations funded for a while on YRM. 35%. If you're coming from challenge to funded, then 35. If you're instant funded, it's 20%. So if we have a chop fest, then we should go back basically. I guess you guys agree with me. If we're talking about a chop fest here, that we should go back. Beautiful. Down the hill, exactly. Down the hill, unfortunately. That was it. Look at that. Down the hill, a lot of the problems at YRM with the resources, with everything, I guess. That's why everything is extremely slow. Huge problems. That's why I told you, till things resume normally, you have to avoid it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that one, guys. That's unbelievable, man. And if I exit, market is dipping back. Gotta put my stop loss there, but this is just total nonsense, this kind of trading here. Nah. Give me a break, guys, on this. Give me a break. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. I mean, Lucid is great, FundedSeat is great too, but Lucid is obviously the best prop firm in the space, Lucid. So I suggest you to max out there. Grab your 5 accounts there. Yeah, we got green tea, but there's something happening with it. I don't know. I think I had the wrong recipe. I don't think at the end of the day the green tea is today the problem. Look at that. This is a price action I should not be trading today. Oh my god. We only have $100 here left of drawdown on this one. You know, the third cycle. Cashed out $3,000 from this 50k. It's not bad when you pay $84 for something and you cash out $3,000. It's not bad at all. Nah. I got angry on this whole thing. Bring it down, but we only have 5 micros. So watch this one making me money on 5 micros, and the very moment I go deep, you know, we're gonna... Yeah, I've doubled up $100 and we're out of this account. Third cycle. FundedSeat payout is in 24 hours. Couple of hours, actually. Less than 24 hours. Couple of hours. The average time is about 5 hours with FundedSeat, so it's great. Lucid Flex has no daily loss limit. Exactly. No consistency on the funded stage. It's coming back down. I'm waiting for this one. No, they cannot be trusted, Fred. They cannot be. Let's see. Let's see if we can save an account that's just $120 away from the max loss. This one. This one is only $120 away from the max loss, but we would need to hit a great target here around the 30,000s. I don't want to see all this buying pressure stepping in and breaking my lovely structure. Well, there you go. It's going to be gone here. Oh yeah. What a price action, unbelievable. The very moment shows signs of continuation. It's just going exactly the other way around. Look at that. That was not supposed to be short like this. Stop loss break even. That was not supposed to be short like this. What's wrong with it, guys? This red candle we have right now is not supposed to be like this at all. Yeah, I think I deleted that. I think I deleted that a few minutes ago. Break even touched. I'm sorry, but this is not tradable. We have our big belly accounts that are making money here. Big bellies are making good money here. Not an issue. Not an issue. Let me put a stop loss on break even for the big belly. And have a good time printing some profits. My gosh. Now I'm gonna be out here. You know, let me take that 1,460. Let me take that money all day long. And relong this thing. Yeah, yesterday was pretty bad. We were down at some point 100,000 and we finished the day on 32. Down 32. At some point, we were just a few $1,000s down with the markets recovering back. Recovering for the upside move, right? And we started shorting. We started shorting. And we just went 1,000 points. So yesterday... Yesterday high, 30,069. Yesterday low, 29,282. 800 points. 800 points in a few hours. Good. So the FundedSeat account got breached on the third cycle. The 50k one. Not bad, 2 payouts representing $3,000 from a 50k account. If you have 2 payouts, it's a good edge. Good job. Yes. We were in a much better situation, just a couple of grand down. Do you think are we capable of surviving this? Look at that. Look at all those lows holding around. These are big belly accounts, so we have a ton of money here. Market opens in about 6 minutes, guys. Let me take a break, 2 minutes. I'll be right back with you in 2 minutes. I'll be right back with you in 2 minutes. We have some fresh funded flexes. I think we're sitting back on 5 Lucid flexes funded. So we're gonna work on that one, guys. The very moment I am back, we're working on it. yeah, we're making money, guys. Look at that. What those candles? What's happening here? Oh my gosh. What are those freaking candles, guys? What's wrong with this price action? I mean, unlike we're in profit, but that's not really the criteria, right? I think we should do a little better. Few seconds to go for the opening. I'm gonna hold on my 10 minis for the opening. Watch out. Watch out, we're holding on our 10 minis for the opening. Leaving my 10 minis open for the next New York session opening, guys. Watch out, watch out. We're gonna set a take profit. And here we got the opening. Here we got the opening. Best of luck, guys. Oh. Run, baby. Run. Run. Oh, that was so close hitting our take profit target. Run. Run. I'm out for the moment here. I'm out from the other one too. That's a $12,000 profit. $12,000 profit, guys. There you go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Time to make some good money. It was. Wow. And now we're reshorting this one. Reshorting both accounts. Yeah, I'm being aggressive here with a reshort. The very moment we click, this is running. Unbelievable. Whole profit disappeared we made at the opening. The whole $12,000 profit disappeared. Unbelievable. By the way. Rest in peace, short. Haha. Indeed. This is getting smacked. A little lower. Sold basically half of it on this one, and I'm fully out. And I'm fully out from the other one too. So we're 250 down here, guys. 250. Oh. Look at that. Sold at the perfect spot. Sold at the perfect spot, basically, of that short. Market totally run another 50 points since we sold. That's just fully nonsense. Look at this one, guys. Yeah, single direction opening, guys. Quite a strong move there. Smashing everything. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys. Like the video. Be subscribed. That's a good one, Parvin. Make sure to like the video, guys. We gotta hit the target 180 likes. Come on. This is smashing all the way to today's high. 217. Thinking about the shorting possibilities. But you gotta be cautious with those shorts, right? You don't want to get wiped out, don't you? I'm testing out a short. Can we get the next candle red? And I'll get out of this one. This is a massive pump, so lovely. I'm out from this one. I'm going to be out from the other one too. This is not looking good for the moment. Yeah, down 1,500 here on the account. We made profit. This is very risky, right? Extreme level. And what was that price action right before this opening? What was all that about? Lovely. We scalped a little bit. We're back in profit. 2,700. We're back in profit. We scalped a little bit. 2,730. Back in profit, guys. We've longed this candle. At the time the candle started, we longed it. And then we got out quickly. So in 10 minis, that's something, right? But then you see how dangerous this is. Oh my god. Now, trying to anticipate reversals. Reversals do need a proper structure. This is extreme risk when you're trying to anticipate a reversal like this. Is this something else? Often categorized as a strategical mistake. You're not supposed doing. Look at that rejection, guys. I like it. What do you guys think about the next candle? I'm going to test out a little short here. Let's go for a little short. And then get out of both. Just a scalping. I'm out here. $6,000 profit. 6,000. Wow, look at that buying pressure. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. I got into a long here. I'm sitting long, guys. Having a decent sizing on that. Scalping my way into some little profits. We need a strong candle here. Otherwise, this is going to be dangerous. Dangerous. If that was a fake bouncing here, we don't want to be trapped in a long from this highs. So I actually require to see our strength appearing. Otherwise, I'm going to be out. Like and subscribe, everyone. Let's go. That's a lovely reaction. Beautiful. This is the kind of movement I need. Beautiful. Come on. I'll set my take profit, by the way. I'll set it up here. I'll set it up here for the take profit. Keep on building. Keep on building. Keep on building. I'm actually out from here. I'm actually out from the other one too. First one catched good profit. We're $10,000 profit. Give me a break, guys. 10 seconds. I'll be back. 10 seconds. Bear with me. 10 seconds. I'll be back, guys. Oh yeah. Back in business. Back in business. Not only survived a situation, but we're up $10,000. Relonging it, this one, guys. Relonging it. Come on, let's make some money here. Let's go for a nice push. All that squeeze coming in. Come on, let's go, guys. $8,000, $9,000 profit. Go. Break that high, 265. You just can't get stuck here with all that pressure coming through. Let's go. Price action is starting to be synchronized with my brain. Let me tell you. Move, baby. Ha ha ha. Let's get them synchronized. Let's get them synchronized. Oh yeah, beautiful. And I'm gonna set my take profit there on the old time road. Yeah. Come on. Don't you dare. Doing a total reversal on me here. When we're so close at hitting 10, 15 grand profit. Come on, guys. Let's go. Just a little higher. Just a little higher. Take that high. Take that high. I'm gonna fully get out of this both. If this is going nervous on me. Looking nice. I'm highly focused. Highly focused. Yeah, I'm setting my stop loss right below this candle. Right at the bottom of this candle. Yeah. Bottom of this candle, guys. Take profit. Beautiful. Beautiful. 15 grand profit. Let me get out of there you go. 15 grand profit, guys. Celebration time. That's a hell of a job. Oh, yeah. Look at it. Our whole profit would have disappeared if that take profit. There you go. Boom. Celebration time. It's not easy making money. It's not easy making money on this. Now I'm going to try to short it. I'm going to try to short it. And get my juice from a short. We've shorted. We've shorted. Now, unbelievable. If they're taking this one to the moon, that's going to be a total mess. Lower high, double top lower, slightly lower, right? If you can't short that price action. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. So you just push it artificially to squeeze those heavy tight stop losses, are you? We're gonna find it out. This is such a scam, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those likes. We gotta hit minimum 180 likes. Beautiful. Wow. So we just pushed, guys, to take out tight stop losses. Yeah. Jolt jobs in 10 minutes. Come on, nuke it back. Nuke it back to 30,000. Scrambo is waiting for it. I got my short loaded up, and I'm not going to exit that easily. Back to 30,000. Scrambo is waiting for that. Haha. You guys see that wick? This is so weird. We nicely got loaded up for Jolt's job openings. What are you guys trading here? Longs or shorts? Are you down to some longs and shorts here? This is Lucid. It's stated at the bottom. Currently trading Lucid Flex here. Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex. FundedSeat. Oh. That's some of the breakout. That's some pretty crappy breakout. So look at this price action. That's all you got to do. The 5 minutes are not having red candles. No matter how hard we rejected here, we still pushed up. Just for you to know the scam behind these prices and behind these markets. No matter how hard we communicated, lack of acceptance above, a lot of rejection, the buying pressure kept continuing. Look at that. Snapping my profit away. Yet once again. Oh. Yes. Exactly. No matter how hard you reject and put out the patterns, still does the other way around. How are we supposed to deal with that? You just cannot carry on blindly. You just cannot carry on blindly. Market's disrespecting us. We got some interesting news coming out soon. And short volume profile. No. But that wouldn't be bad to be integrated at some point. I have the fresh funded accounts, which I'm going to start trading, guys. 2 minis. Out. $208. We got once again 5 funded on Lucid Flex. Once again. Trying to bring all the 5. I mean, we're trying to bring the 3 accounts to the payout stage. We have 2 big bellies that are... Oops. I got an alert. I'm sorry for that. I got an alert. But we're all fine. Reshorting this from here, from the highs. Got back in a short here of a single contract. Looks like, I mean, 2 minis is too much, guys. We've been doing lately 2 minis from scratch, even 4. Yeah. We have formula, we have. Yes, we lost the previous funded ones. So today we have 2 big belly plus 3 funded flexes. First day. This is the first. First one we're trading. What do you mean not 10? Might just 2 big belly accounts. We have 2 with more than 400 grand inside. Two accounts that we built like that, not just one. Well, we no longer have evaluations, and the way we deal... Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. So the way we will end up with is 3 accounts. The way we will end up with this 5, and obviously the big belly are already in a position of, oh, not 10 minis in this one's. Top ranked. Oh, you see what happened with Germany, right? You see what happened with Germany, Jonathan. Got an emergency, yeah. What a heat wave. I'm no longer going to push for this accounts and big profits. I'm out here at 342. I'll take that money, guys. I'll take that 342. You might get surprised, but I'll take that one. Let's continue with the next. Look at that. Totally reversing on me. And I'll be reshorting. Yes, for heat. Heat warning, exactly. Yeah, 342. I mean, I like the max payout, for which you gotta do 6,000, right? Because it's 50%. I'll dedicate some time, basically, to take it slowly. Oh! I guess I haven't switched my account. The piano is not moving, guys. I'm still trading the previous account. We just made profits. The payout is not moving. Look at that. That's another mistake. Let me double check. Yeah. Unfortunately, we remain on the account we made profits with this one. So we're giving it back right now. That's crazy, guys. It's all about wrong things today. It's all about wrong things today. Lost 2 FundedSeat accounts. 150,000, third cycle, first day, third cycle. And the other one, instant funding, Bolt. And then this happens. And then this happens. I take payouts. And we'll take more payouts. But we just build the accounts. Oh yeah, lovely. Let me get out of this, because this was not supposed to be traded. 414. 414. Let me make sure we select the correct one. Beautiful. We're on the right one. I'm going to re-short this one. As soon as the new candle opens, I'm shorting. I missed it, guys. I missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Look at that. You know, we're recovering on the big value ones, but that's not where the big stuff runs. We're still down there. No, this is in profit. One of the big value is sitting in profit. Haha. The other one is down, but one of the big value accounts is sitting in profit. Hell yeah. Oh my god. What are they up to? What are you up to? You know I'm gonna re-short you. You little... I'll be re-shorting you, you little... Nah. I'll be re-shorting you a little. Make sure to like the video, guys. How's it going? How are you today? And sign up for the giveaways. You don't want to miss out. A lot of money out there in the giveaways. We got to hit minimum 180 likes. Minimum. So I will be testing out a short here on my 1 mini. Fresh funded. Second fresh funded. That's something. Double up here. Double up there. And look for a retracement. 2 mini short. Not DCing in this. It's dangerous. This one needs a lot of the time, I guess, from the way it looks like. Yeah, sold one of the contracts. It's fine. Actually bought because we were in a short. So you want to look into this. I mean, the next 5 minute I'm expecting to be red. The next 5 minute. I'm expecting this wick we're just establishing to be wiped out. That's what I'm expecting. To get some price action back into that wick. So if I open up a trade or I DCA into the starting point of the next candle, I should be fine with that. Look at that. A few more seconds to go here. And I'm DCAing. Yeah. 2 minutes short. I'm out. 479 profit. Beautiful, guys. Till deck all day long again. 479. Second, that's fresh funded here. 479. The first one is 414. Second, 479. This is defensive approach. Bear with me for a second. We're gonna trade our third one. Give me a second. Here we are. Let's trade our third fresh funded. Quant Tower. Use the Quant Tower for Lucid Flexes. Here you go. Running towards the wick. Just like we talked about. Just like we talked about. Testing out a short here, guys, on the third fresh funded account. I DCA'd. We've got 2 minis here. Need that pressure so bad here. Not needing a temporary bottom here. Micro bottom. Sold partially. Stop loss break even. We exited partially. We secured 380 bucks, leaving the rest of it open. Secured 380, leaving the rest of it open, guys. Come on. Beautiful. We touched the break even on that. 448 actually. 448 profit. Oh yeah, let's just celebrate that one even though we have the big belly down quite a lot. Not an issue there. The payout is secured for those. Boom. So best discounts right now, you can have FundedSeat 55%, 3 uses. FundedSeat flexes. Or you can do instant funding Bolt from FundedSeat, or you can do Lucid. But Lucid did not refresh their, did not reset on the discounts. I'm expecting something for, I don't know, maybe upcoming days or something. You never know when the new round of promo comes in. But I'm happy for this 448, 479. And 414 on the 3 fresh funded accounts. Plus we got to take care about the big belly accounts, guys. Oh, it's not going to be an easy job. This way, it's not going to be an easy thing. For a possible temporary top, gotta leave a lot of the time into this. What's up? No payout cap on live, correct. No payout cap. Yes. Waiting towards that one. Yes, we have not done any duck race today. We're going to do it soon. Soon the duck race starts, guys. Soon the duck race starts. Soon the duck race starts. No payout cap. Yes, you can do that with 10,000. Yes, yes, you can do that. Space Jam. It needs time, basically, for the short to load up. Still expecting a choppy day. Unless we have some external news coming in, which are fueling the markets. Unless we have that one. Which is something I don't believe related to the war. You tell things have been going for the past months. Yes. You might get a bonus, exactly, Jonathan. We had community members that got a bonus, 4,500. We've got. I don't know if the guy's online. But we got a community member. Just remember, like a few weeks ago, someone told us 4,500 bonus. No volume, but the bids are missing for the moment here. So I'm still holding on to my short here, a little trapped. We've made money on those. On the other accounts, we actually made money. Let's trade some Savius. Let me connect to Savius. Savius is running 70% off on my code, Savius. I posted about our giveaway on my channel for Savius. An instant funding account for $25,000. You can see that video I posted 2 days ago. Plus, here's the link for Savius if you want to benefit of our discounts. I put it in the chat. 70% off. 5% target. You just have to be careful. I mean, they are the cheapest, and they're the cheapest for a reason in terms of the pricing. Daily loss limit is a hard breach, so you cannot touch it. You would lose the account if you touch your daily loss limit, guys. You gotta put your stop loss way before that. We have 350,000 instant funded from Savius. Let me see my copy trader. We're all set with a copy trader for this ones. I'm shorting basically 2 minis. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Come on. Three mini short. Yeah, fool. I'm out. I'll take that A22. This got ugly. This got ugly. A22 loss. But we're going to continue reaccumulating on a short. 70% off is on multiple choices. Let me tell you which ones. A lot of the choices. So for our promo, but in order to benefit of our promo, Savius requires you to be in our community, so you got to be signed up under our link. 25,000, 50,000, 100, 150. And the 300,000 is 60% off. Reshorting this. Totally messed up, guys. 1,500. I'll stop here because the 2,000 is a hard breach. I'll stop here at 1,500. This is such a nonsense on the price action. I'm sorry, but yeah. Such a nonsense. Let's just connect back to our giveaway starts very soon, guys. Let me double check the way we're sitting. Double checking on that, the way we're sitting. 166. Let's hit that 180 likes, guys. Come on. Yeah. Still have 500 left, guys, but it's not worth to touch it. You know why? Because markets can run through slippage, volatility, and crazy movements, and you can risk the account. It's not worth it. If you run 150k with 2,000 max loss, hard breach, 1,500 should be your limit. Not 1,700, not 1,800. You might get surprised with 1,700, 800. At the end of the day, you could end up on 2,000 or above that. And you don't want that. You don't want that. So we're back for the big belly accounts. Which are down quite a little. Slippage. Volatility kicks in. And if you're trading the minis, no. Not a good idea leaving it above 1,500. You know, guys, we have the monthly opening 415, and I'm fearing that. It's the only thing I'm fearing here. 415, look at that. But I'm glad we made profits on our first day. On 3 funded next to those big belly, right? You know how important that is. These accounts are in a pretty safe situation. The big belly ones. Building all the way. We touched the monthly opening. We touch it. Time to see what's going to be the reaction here. Time to seize at the shorts. Giveaway starts in 2-3 minutes. As soon as we hit those likes, minimum 180 likes required. Come on, guys. Minimum 180. Yes. That's the participation for the giveaway. If you want to participate, you have to fill up the form. The participation form. You cannot participate without having the form filled up. You're not qualified to win without participating. You can't win something. Let's see what kind of reaction do we have here. Little pressure building up. I'm gonna still babysit on this trade. Hopefully not for a while. Yes. Thank you, Miss K911. Trying to apply some of the risk management here, DCing out, DCing back, but we need a few red candles in a 5-minute structure that we don't have yet. So this is running since 30,000. Since 30,000, we're having 400 points. 400 points without having 2 red 5-minute candles in a row. So I'm fully conscious that we actually need... I don't have a fixed stop loss. I'm tweaking basically the trade the whole day if needed. I don't have a flat stop loss. Or a fixed one, or anything that would limit basically the mobility behind adjustments. For example, yesterday we were down 100 grand and recovered to 30. All the way to 700s for Twister. Yeah, get out of my long, right? And I guess I'm gonna long it. Get out of my short, sorry. Get out of my short, and I guess I'm gonna long it and ride with you. I guess that's what I have to do. 300 points. Yesterday's live stream. You can see it on yesterday's live stream. Last week on Thursday, you want to check last week Thursday video, we were down 140 grand, Space Jam. Last week, Thursday, on my live stream videos, is all on the channel, we're down 140 grand, unrealized, and then fully recovered. On Friday stream, I showed it on people, fully recovered during the day. I'm sure, Paul, I'm sure that what happens... Which is why I am not exiting my short and I'm not longing it. The very moment I get out of my short, this is crashing. It's not dumping, it's crashing. The very moment. You guys know how that happens. You guys know how that happens. We're down 23,000 and with the minis, you know, for today. For the minis, it's recoverable. Alright, so let's just get started with those fireworks coming from the duck race. We need the ducks, we need the Firmalo, and we need the wheel, right? That's pretty much it. Here we are, guys. Here we are. So let me think about which one is the first. The Yeah. I'm hanging out here in my short. So, yeah. Let me think about it, guys. We're going to do 2 accounts in the first giveaway. We're having 3 different giveaways, 2 accounts in the first giveaway. We're sharing 4 accounts totally. Within the next days, we're going to introduce a new company. We're going to trade on the new company. I'll make a review video. It's very interesting. It has instant funded. It has challenges. It has challenges that are static drawdown, never moving. Even from the beginning, static, fully static. Some interesting. With daily payouts. Once you hit the buffer, you know, but we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it soon, guys. And we're going to have giveaways of that company daily. So right now, static better. I mean, I got static. Darth Trader, I got static on my Lucid, right? This big belly, all these guys are static. And as soon as you do your max drawdown in profit, you're static. So it's quite valuable. But now it's time to focus 25,000. Top 1 futures. Let's do elite daily payouts. And no consistency on the funded stage. This one from top 1 futures, the elite daily challenges. And we do a 25,000 FundedSeat flex. 2 accounts basically. 2 accounts in this one. How do you participate? I'll show you which one is static drawdown. I'll show you guys. We have not introduced the company yet. I'm going to introduce it probably the next days, very next days. So here we are, 150 grand. The company's been online for many, many years. I know you guys like companies that have been online for many years. So, like the video, be subscribed. That's how you participate, by the way. Complete up the form. Be subscribed, join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory. Not Tradeify. No. We've got Lucid in terms of not Apex. So we got those 3 needs. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Watch out for the numbers, a single guess per person. It's between 0 and 2. Start right there. Exactly, never Apex. Start right there. Between 0 and 2. Let me know your best choice. Come on, guys, let's go. Let me know your best choice. Come on. Guess the number between 0 and 2. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. We're going to shuffle and give it a go. Zero. I think that's going to be 0, guys. Ha ha ha. 0. Here we are. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Pretty good chances when you have when we've got actually 2 accounts there. Pretty good chances. Oh, look at that. More than 70 guys. Oh. That's a huge queue. Let's go for the duck race. 1 minute competition time. Oops, start. Yeah, start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Good luck. First one is winning the Top 1 Futures 25,000 Elite Daily. The second one is winning the 25,000 FundedSeat Flex account. Good luck, guys. Come on. Hush. Push. Why are they so slow? Why are they so slow? Oh, someone stands out. Superman and K trades. We got more than 70. More than 70 ducks here. Dart Trader is out there. Mononos. Mononos and probably... Oh. There you go, Mononos. And Ramzan Rocky. Ramzan Rocky and Mononos. Congratulations. Let's just verify if you guys completed a form. And we're going to know that very, very soon if you guys completed a form. Haha. Mononos. Mononos, are you here? Yes, congratulations, I can see your name. And we've got Ramzan Rocky for the FundedSeat. Congratulations, good job. Congratulations for the winners, continuing with the next giveaway, which will be for the Lucid accounts. But guess what? We're going to do a Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro, baby. I like the price action back into 400s. Look at that one, guys. Back in 400s. Are you ready for a Lucid Pro? Tell me. Watch out for the numbers. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. That's how you participate, including you gotta fill up the form. So, between 0 and 4, each number appears once. But then, 5 appears 3 different times. You could start right now. Start right now. So again, between 0 and 4, each number appears once, and number 5 appears 3 times. Come on, guys. 0 to 4, each number is once. Number 5 is a triple choice. 391, 395. Look at that. I like that, Nasdaq. We gotta clear that loss. We gotta clear that loss ambitiously. We're not gonna let it sit there. No, no. This is a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Oh yeah. Was slightly below a decent rate. An average day, I would say, or maybe slightly below that in terms of performance. FundedSeat, we lost 2 accounts. One was sitting 3rd cycle payouts. We got 2 payouts from that one. It was a 50K. The other one was an instant funding Bolt of 100,000, which was close to max loss, about $400 away. So we lost 2 from FundedSeat, but we're going to load it up. Stop right there, no more guesses. The great part is we made money on 3 accounts from... we made money on Lucid on the accounts we got it. We need money, right? On the fresh funded ones of 150,000, we made money on those. It's the first day in the funded stage for them, so we need it. And we lost on Savius 1,500. Controlled loss. But still, you know, we're just $500 below the original balance there. Not an issue at the end of the day. Oh, I think that's not going to be number 5. I'm sorry. It's not going to be number 5. I think it's going to be number 3, guys. Do you agree with me for the number 3? Do you? Basically, half of the wheel is actually covered. Almost. Like, half of the wheel is not having number 5 in this instance. Number 3 for the winners. Congratulations. Wow. Totally rigged. Exactly, Twister. Can retire peacefully. So let's just give it back in the first day of the 3rd cycle. Instead of making only $250 for the next 4 days and taking out the 3rd payout. You know, you gotta give something back, right? At some point, there's no way you just have to take. There's not many winners out there. 27 for this Lucid Pro, competing for 30 seconds. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. You definitely need it. We've got one more giveaway after this. You don't have to rush. Badger? Oh my god. Badger is actually winning this. Badger is actually winning this. Oh my gosh. Community. Look at that. Badger is actually winning this. Her moderator is winning this. He got the pedal. He rigged the system. Badger is winning this. This is crazy. Unbelievable, guys. Oh my gosh. Her moderator, Badger, is winning this. What about the forum? Oh. I got a question. The forum, are you still having diplomatic immunity? Badger, are you out here on the forum? If you're not here, we're taking the second. No response found in Badger. No response found in Badger. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Diplomatic immunity, but no response found in Badger. That's hilarious. Look at that one. You'd like to offer your prize to the 2nd place winner. Look at that one, guys. Celebration for Badger. Giving out his account. Celebration for Badger. Clap your hands, everyone. Clap your hands. Clap your hands for Badger. And say thank you. He's giving out for the second place winner, which is Caroline. Caroline, your lucky day is because Badger is the winner. This one is the hard one to give away. He loves Lucid. Caroline, look at that one. But the question is if you filled up the form as well, because Marcio on audio is waiting on you, and then Papeleria, and so on. The next one's right. Caroline is right here. Congratulations, Caroline. You got this one. 50,000 Lucid Pro goes out to Caroline. Oh, that was juicy. Time for the last giveaway for the 3rd one. Time for the last giveaway for the 3rd one. 50,000 YRM. We're going to share this YRM accounts as long as we've got them. 50k YRM. even though we're no longer trading YRM. Because of the payout problems, we're waiting till this is getting fixed, and then we're going to have an update. Otherwise, keep it away. So, watch out for the numbers. We're only going to have 2 numbers. 77888. That's it. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. 77888. Let's go. Best of luck, everyone. 77888 for a 50 grand. Who's playing today? Today we've got Norway, I think, at the World Cup. And what's going to be the next surprise? What's going to be the next surprise, guys? Tell me. I like the 350s out here. Watch out. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. We're still sitting our short. We're still sitting our short. Yeah. What's going to be the next surprise? Tell me. Shuffle. We're good to go. Best of luck, guys. Next surprise at the World Cup. First one was Germany out. I think it's number 8. Congratulations for the winners. That was not difficult at all. We're not going to be able to cross that. We're getting stuck between number 8. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. Good job. Hell yeah. Good job. I think Norway is playing today. 8 for the winners. Eight for the winners. Next step. Wow, more than 100. So we got to do 2 rounds. 125. Woohoo. Start right there. Your turn. Yeah. Yeah, Japan was great. Japan. I'm totally missing that. Who is going to be the next one? Next big surprise, tell me. First ranked and second ranked goes. Second round, obviously, we have more than 100 bucks. Quantum, guys. Quantum, first ranked and second ranked. Quantum and Alejandra Molina. Alejandra Molina. Yeah, France is top-notch, France. Argentina. I don't think they're going home that quickly. Quantum and Alejandra, did you fill up the form? Let's see. You guys are qualifying second round. Yes, Quantum is here. Alejandra is here. Good. You know which rank is winning? Rank number 10 is winning. Rank number 10 is winning, guys. A 50,000 YRM. Rank number 10. Massey. Messi is gonna do a Panenka at the penalties. Rank number 10 is winning this account. Rank number 10. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at a quantum. Oh, my gosh. Look at a quantum here winning. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Rank number 10, we got you, quantum. Look at that. Here's your name, buddy. Good job. Good job. Well, well. I'm looking for touching this levels out here. The fair value gap, for example, out here, 265. Give me that 265. You know, get out at the right time and smash this. Congratulations for the winners. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Have a beautiful and a lovely day. Careful on the sizing. Careful with the trading. Don't be greedy. Certainly not. Be greedy on how discipline. Be greedy of discipline. No rush, fellas. Yes, 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 we're sending Doc Waffles. Indeed. Have a lovely and a beautiful day. We talk to you soon. Keep in touch.